quite a warm day here in Otsu City for our training. This is our biggest training day of the week, so very, very important in our match preparation. This morning's sessions were split unit session with backs and forwards operating independently, with a gym session and field forwards concentrated on scrums and lineouts and did quite a bit of work on maul and maul defence. The backs working on their strike plays and also specific skills for this game. This afternoon's session will be our biggest and hardest rugby session. It's our physical session that we want to go through our plays for the game under some real pressure, and also do some hard work around our ruck and contact area skills to ensure that we can retain possession and win quick ball.
We're actually pretty easy today. We're going to do that reload activity we did yesterday with the edge. And then we're going to do our sideline reload, which is really important. One thing we haven't done well is we haven't switched back down the short side. Yeah. So we're going to focus on that. And partly there's two reasons. One of the two reasons we're not using short side when we come in the field. The key thing is we're not ready. And what's the other reason? We're not ready.